This shit about
Anything else for you guys? Are you okay for right now?
Yeah, we're good right now.
Anything else on Genesis? Feel free to let me know.
Thank you.
yeah, we can go to the scary thing, 'cause I cannot be fooled easily. So just take my hand, girl, I promise you that I'll be the man that you want me to. Can you come over here? Tell me what you're thinking when I throw up in here. Life is good, do it, and you coming with me. Here you go, and baby, you're mine. Do it.
Masih iya via by Maya